I cannot believe that these clothes are fitting me the way that they are. It's amazing. So to continue watching me lose and see the results, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you. This is my burrito bowl. I have rice, chicken taco that's made out of chicken taco, meat, lettuce, tomatoes, a fourth of a cup of cheese, salsa, and a dollop of ranch. My dinner. Well, now I think it's working. I don't know. I was sitting here talking, and guess what? I looked up and nothing's recording. Hi, good morning. Welcome to my channel. This is Life Over 55 with Kim. If you're new, welcome. If you are one of my supporting friends, thank you. Again, I am needing some likes, mega likes. So if you watch this, please, just take a moment and hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, because you never know what's going on in my life. It's crazy. There's always something happening in my life. Is everybody like that? Or does everybody have like this little calm, mellow? My life's like boom. You never know what's happening. So with that, let's talk about my weekend. I said I was going to do a video, and my hair is like driving me crazy right now. It's hitting my face and itching. So I said I was going to do a video, but guess what? I did not do a video. I did not cook yesterday. I was not feeling it at all. I did laundry, but I was just so tired. That last week, it wore me out. So, I didn't do anything. I didn't cook. I barely cleaned. I got things together a little bit, but that was it. Buddy's not even feeling it. For some reason, he's like sort of lethargic and just like not real like peppy with energy. So Buddy and I just sat on the recliner. We relaxed. We watched YouTube. We watched some movies. We watched some sitcoms. So it was just a really relaxing kind of day. So, I didn't even really eat a lot yesterday. So like for breakfast, I had 2 eggs and 3 pieces of Canadian bacon. Then I had a snack in between breakfast and lunch. So I had a banana that I cut up. I had a tablespoon of peanut butter. I had an apple that I peeled and cut up. And then I had like 2 tablespoons of sunflower seeds, the green sunflower seeds. So I had that for a snack. Then for lunch, I had a salad with the green leafy lettuce. I'm in love with that lettuce right now. That's like my favorite. That's all I'm eating. I'm not eating any more iceberg. I'm not doing romaine. I like that green leafy lettuce. So I had a salad made of that with beets and tomatoes and egg. And then I had a little piece of a leftover baked chicken. So I cut that up and threw it in along with ranch dressing. So that was my lunch. I had a lot of coffee yesterday, but I also did get a lot of water in also. So that was good. And then for dinner, did I have anything in between that? I don't think I had anything in between lunch and dinner. But for dinner, I had a burrito bowl, which I'll show you my burrito bowl, and I'll show you my little snacky that I had. I'll put that clip in at the end of this video. But anyway, I had a little snack. I had the burrito bowl, and the burrito bowl consists of my green leafy lettuce. I made some chicken breast, ground chicken breast. I made the taco meat out of that. I had so it was leafy lettuce, taco meat, cheese, tomatoes, salsa, and like 1 tablespoon of ranch dressing. And that was my, oh, and the 1/4 of a cup of white rice. So I made that. That was dinner. And then after dinner, I had some pineapple and I had some more sunflower seeds. And according to the app, it says the green sunflower seeds are 0 points. So that's what I did. I did 0 points for those. So I didn't have a lot of points yesterday, but I wasn't feeling it yesterday. I drank a lot of coffee. So I did have cream. So I had a tablespoon of cream for each cup. I'm trying to get to where I can drink black coffee just because it's better for you. And I'm trying to lose that extra sugar, but right now I'm not doing it. So I'm counting my cream. So, I had cream in my coffee and I had, I think like 3 cups of coffee yesterday, maybe 4, but I did get water in yesterday too. So that was like kind of nice that I got the water in. Anyway, so that was my day yesterday, guys. All I did was like laundry and I just was not, I didn't leave the house. You know what? I was in my pajamas all day long. I didn't even get dressed. I took a shower and put on a new nightie. So, I did nothing yesterday, and I think I needed it just because, you know, I work long hours every single day of the week. I am getting older, so it is starting to not be quite as like bouncy as I used to be. So I just needed that day of rest. So I did not do a recipe like I said I was going to. Today I am going to meet a friend for lunch, Miss Kathy. You saw her picture the last time I met her last month. We're gonna try to do that once a month at least. So that's kind of nice. So that is what I am doing with her. And I have a huge day tomorrow. This is where I'm gonna start venting. So if you need to get up and go get a cup of coffee, if you have to get, you know, the kids out the door, whatever the case may be, if you don't want to hear me vent, then, you know, it's only gonna be a little bit. So I moved to the state of Missouri from the state of Florida, right? Where in Florida, you pay taxes on nothing, zip, 0. I rented, so I didn't even have to pay, you know, taxes on my home because I rented. So now with stating that, I am here in Missouri. I need to get new license plates because my plates are up as of the end of July. So we're in the beginning of June, but I'm trying to get ahead of this because there's so much that I have to do. So I took my car to get inspected yesterday, got that done, it passed, everything's good. So that was 36 bucks. All right, not that much, but it's money that, why do you tell me that I have to get this inspected? I didn't have to get it inspected when I got it in Florida. All I gotta do is go pay for my tags in Florida, right? So now, since I didn't live in Missouri last year, or I haven't lived in Missouri for a very long time, I have to pay personal property taxes. So since I just moved, I have to go to a site where they have 3, right? 3 sites. The first site is in North St. Louis. The second site is in what is called Clayton, kind of like city center. And the third site is south. Now, I live west. So it's not convenient for me to go to any of these locations. And I don't want to go to like the city center of Clayton because A, you can't ever find any place to park. B, when you do find a place to park, it's going to be like parallel parking and you're going to be on a meter. And C, you never know how long you're going to take. There could be 50 people, there could be 250 people. You have no idea. So I can either go north of where I'm living, and that is probably about a half hour, 20 minutes, half hour. Or I can go south, where I'm living, and that's going to be the same. It's going to be about 30 minutes. And then once I get there and I get the paper that I need, then I have to drive to work, which is in a completely different county. And that's going to be about another hour and maybe 15 minutes or more. I don't know. So it's depending on traffic too, right? I'm in St. Louis. It's a busy city. So all for a piece of paper that says, I was not in the state of Missouri and I did not have to pay personal property taxes. So you ask me, Kim, what is personal property tax? Well, personal property tax is a tax that you pay on the personal property you own, such as a car, a boat, even a trailer that you haul the boat on, right? So personal property is anything that you personally own in the state of Missouri. It can be an RV, it can be an ATV, it can be whatever the case may be. Missouri feels like they need for you to pay them in order for you to own this property. So there you have it. Born and raised here, been doing it most of my life. I moved out of St. Louis when I was 46 years old. So I am now going to be 56. So it's been 10 years since I left Missouri. I've floated back and forth, but it's only been 6 months here, 6 months there, blah, 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 right? So we can get into a whole nother story about how I have moved here, moved there, done this, done that. Let me tell you, you want me to start talking about all that? I'd be more than happy to. My life is crazy. I could write a book. There could be a mini series about my life. And I'm sure there's a lot of people out there who feel the same way. But you know what? At the end of the day, I have God in my life. I believe in God. I believe in heaven. I believe in the angels. And I believe that no matter what you go through, it makes you stronger, and there's a reason for everything, right? There was a reason that I moved back to St. Louis, and that reason was as my dad was leaving, right? Ooh, can't talk about that. All right, so with stating all of this, this is what I have to do tomorrow is go get that piece of paper. Then I have to find out how in the heck I get the title from the, I don't know, there's some kind of form. The lady rambled it off at me, 1040 ABC, I have no idea, 1020, 1938, I don't know. There's some kind of number form that you have to fill out and sign to move forward with everything. So that is my next, is going to get this piece of paper and then trying to find out exactly what piece of paper it is that I need, right? All right, so I can tell you guys that I am losing weight. I had on a pair of shorts that used to be kind of snug, and I literally pulled those shorts down without even unzipping or unbuttoning them. So that is a huge sign, everybody, that this is working. This is so working. I love losing inches. That's what I told you. My deal is that scale can say whatever it can say. I weigh 1,000 pounds. As long as I can get into that size 12, we're going to be good. That's my goal. Size 12 right now. And then we'll see what happens. But you know what? If I can get to a size 12, I will be just as happy as that person wearing that size 6. I don't want to be super skinny. I just want to be healthy. So anyway, guys, so with stating that, I have on an outfit that used to be snugger. The pants used to be really tight to where I could hardly get them on. And now they went right up. So I'm getting there. I am getting there. My shirts, I'm sorry, there we go. My shirts are getting bigger, so they're falling bigger on me. So I'm excited. I can't wait till I cannot wear these clothes anymore and I have to go get all new clothing. It will be super, super, super exciting for me. I will show you how my pants are fitting me. Making sure I'm not running over Buddy. I have to find a picture. I had pictures taken down in Florida to where, see, like my pants are like, actually I can almost pull them super high. My stomach is starting to go down. I can feel that. It used to be like I was 9 months pregnant. So here you have it. This is my outfit of the day. I don't know if you can see the shoes, but let's see if I can tilt it down just a little bit. I'm starting to get my waist back. See, look. Oh, they're so high. So that's a good thing, right? All right, there you have it. Now, that is the whole ensemble. It is happening, ladies and gentlemen. It is happening. So, can we tell? Like I'm starting to get that little waistline happening again. That chair yoga, everybody. It's helping. Completely helping. All right, let me get back, sit down right back. So anyway, now I am going to get ready to go have lunch, meet up with my friend. I cannot wait to see her, catch up. It'll be fun. We are going to a place called Mimi's Cafe. So Mimi's Cafe is known for their blueberry muffins, which this girl will not be having. So I will have a Cobb salad and probably that will call it a day. So anyway, well, I hope everybody had a great weekend. I hope all is going well. I'm hoping your scales are doing the same. And I'm anxious to get on the scale Wednesday because I'm anxious to see where I'm at. I feel that I am getting smaller. I feel like that should be coming down a lot. I still have a lot to lose, but you know, it is what it is, right? All right, guys, take care. I will probably not be on tomorrow just because I have to leave my house at like 7. I'm probably gonna have to leave here like at 7 a.m. So, and I won't get back home until 7 p.m. So poor little Buddy's gonna be here all by himself the whole entire day. I feel bad about that, but it'll be all right. All right, everybody take care. And I'll show you what I had yesterday. I'm gonna try to remember to start logging, and I'm just gonna start taking pictures of what I eat. So I will take a picture at lunch today. I will put that in also so that you guys can see my lunch, right? All right, take care. I will talk to you guys probably on Tuesday. I will probably do a little short, or I might even pop on with the live at lunchtime tomorrow. We'll see. All right, everybody take care. Mwah! Bye.